Hi guys, how's it going? Hey, how you all doing? Another little bonus video. Well, this I bought last week and it's been sat here for over a week. And I was expecting a few other little bits and bobs. It didn't quite materialise. So the unboxing video never really happened the way I would like it to. But I did just want to share this with you that came last week and has been sat there, and I've been very, very excited about it. Look at this. What is it? Any ideas what it is? Check that out, guys. Now, I've been after one of these brushes for a long time. I know some people don't like unboxings, but I like watching unboxings, and I've spoken to a lot of people who watch my channel and they like watching unboxings. So I just thought I would do you a very quick unboxing here. Let's see. At the little bump. And there she goes. Look at this, guys. This is Wolf Whiskers. Check that out. Wolf Whiskers Orange Creamsicle 28mm Black Wolf knot with that little coin in the bottom. I've been after Wolf Whiskers for a long time. There's a good shave coming up with that, guys. A good shave. That's it. I just thought I'd share it with you. Some people do like to see it. I'm sharing it. I wasn't going to do an unboxing, but I don't think I'm going to get to use it for a week or two because I've got several other little things lined up in the pipeline. But I just wanted to let you know, new toys in the den. Look after yourselves, and I will see you on Wednesday, surprisingly enough, for the Wednesday shave. Bye.